Nature's Flow by teacher Myung. This poem is called As Naked as the Day You Came. Where have you come from? And where will you go? Do you have sadness? Do you have kleshas? If so, what? Are they kleshas of knowledge? Are they kleshas of meetings and farewells? Are they kleshas of death? Are they kleshas of birth, sickness, and old age? Whatever sadness or worries you may have, they are all your meaningless delusions, which have been born of your impure discernments. Thus, if you were to abandon all of your attachments, you would be free from your sadness. In society today, a person's worth is determined by his state of wealth and rank, and people believe that such things enrich their beings, which are nothing more than empty shells. But man is an existence that departs as naked as the day he arrived. Do you not go alone, just as you have come alone? Once you find yourself, you will come to know that you have come from nowhere and will go nowhere. Once you truly realize that, you are bound to your sadness, kleshas, and delusions, and are thus not really alive. You will become Buddha. Kleshas, along with all the delusions you see, are meaningless. Once you become enlightened, you will understand this logic.